My name is Brad Hall, and today I've got the Yeezy 700 MNVN in Phosphor. I'm very excited to tell you all about this shoe, and a little bit later on, I've put together something really special, a sort of summer lookbook featuring this shoe. So stay tuned for that. I really love this one. It shows off all of the amazing details that are on this shoe. The upper is lightweight, it's breathable. It's kind of like a pair of nylon pants. It's definitely got some crinkle to it. A very interesting texture. The color on this upper is really nice too. It's this pale yellow. It looks like it was meant for those hot summer nights. You can see the 700 down the side. It's a fun detail that was getting lost on that black colorway. It's got this silvery finish and it is reflective, so it does look really cool with that flash on, but you don't need a flash. It's going to look cool just in normal light. Something else I really like about this shoe, it's easy to slip on and you don't even have to tie it. It's got that bungee lace again. And then of course you've got your 700 midsole. You've got Boost in there. That's gonna provide a lot of cushioning. I went with the same size that I went with in the 700 V1. I'm happy I did that. And I'm pretty happy about this shoe, just in general. To me, it's the best MNVN so far. It looks like a sleek, really fast car that you might take out on a street on a summer night, race with someone else. That's the vibe that I'm getting from it. Really cool shoe. I've talked a lot about how this is the perfect summer shoe. I was hoping to put together kind of a summer lookbook. Unfortunately, we still have to be inside, so I couldn't exactly film my typical summer activities, but that's okay because I've got a green screen. So I went ahead, I put together a summer lookbook featuring some typical summer activities for me, and that's what I'm gonna show you right now. So that was a summer lookbook featuring this shoe. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.